I'm in the Allegheny National Forest in Pennsylvania, and this area is known as the black cherry capital of the world, and I'll show you why. All around me are massive black cherries. There's one right here, another great big one right there, there, massive one down there. So just gigantic black cherry trees. Everywhere. This one right down here is pretty impressive. I guess this all happened, there's a lot of logging and a lot of forest fires in the 1920s, which is when most of these trees would have started growing. Cherries really do well after forest fires. They really kind of take advantage of it. And that's why there's so many of these massive cherry trees. They're everywhere down there. Video doesn't do justice. Yeah, another monster down there. It's beautiful wood. Great for making furniture and trim. It's even pretty good for carving, if you ask me.